In this lesson, I would like to introduce you a great Node.js library called Nodemon. But first, let me show you the problem that Nodemon fixes. We return here hello world, okay? And we start our server. So if you open our localhost, you're gonna see hello world. What if we want to change it? For example, we need to make it hello there, like this, and press save. Now if we go to our localhost and refresh, it's still hello world. And to make this change, you need to close the server and open it again. So here, close the server using Ctrl and C and start it again. So node index run our server again. Now if you refresh, it changed hello there. Now we want to change it automatically when we change the code without closing the server and open it again. So we got a great library called Nodemon, and this library automatically restarts the server when changes are detected. So let's go back to Google and go to npm and search for Nodemon. Now let's open the Nodemon library and install it using this command. So in terminal, let's close the server and run this command. Now if you open package.json, you're gonna see another dependency called Nodemon. Now let's start our server using Nodemon. So let's add a script for it. So let's add here a script, start. This script, as I've said before, we use it to run commands using those scripts. So in this command, we're gonna just add the following: Nodemon index.js. Okay. Now if you open the terminal and just type npm start to run this script here, Nodemon index.js, you're gonna start the server using Nodemon. And now if you go here and make any changes, for example, this is hello there, and in the localhost hello there, we can make changes here. So we can make it hello world again and press save and go back to our localhost and just refresh. Now it become hello world. If you make it hello only and go back here and refresh, it got back to hello only.